today is the last day of the COVID-19 emergency, that it will stay in effect.
Yeah, in fact, tomorrow it will be lifted for the city, county, and state after nearly 3 years. CBS 8's Dana Marie McNichol joining us live downtown to explain what exactly is going to be changing moving forward here. Dana Marie.
Well, Eric and Netta, it's come somewhat full circle. Back in February of 2020, that's when that emergency was enacted. We're talking to local leaders, healthcare professionals about the past 3 years, looking back on that time, but also what to do moving forward. Now, of course, we're not out of the clear just yet. There's still COVID cases popping up in San Diego. So let's take a look at some of those numbers. 1,774 COVID-19 cases were reported to the county in the past 7 days. Unfortunately, people are still dying from the infection. Last week, 9 people passed away. They did all have underlying medical conditions. Now, the state of emergency allowed local leaders to make decisions around the pandemic more quickly and get that federal funding to do so. From skyrocketing hospitalizations, deaths, lockdowns, quarantinings, masks, vaccines, all things that we really experienced on a day-to-day basis, those healthcare workers did as well. We spoke to Dr. Davey Smith, the chief infectious disease officer at UC San Diego. He looked back at some of the defining moments of the pandemic. He talked to us about the stress on our healthcare workers dealing with the pressure. He also worries that we won't necessarily be prepared for future pandemics.
I think that politics has inserted itself so much into COVID that we are not developing the preparedness that we need over time. And I worry that governments are never going to be able to do it because of the politics.
Now, the vaccine mandate will be ending for city employees as well. Doctors say it's important to continue to keep up on those vaccines as other variants emerge. But again, after 3 years, that emergency is now ending tomorrow. I'm Dana Marie McNichol coming to you live from Harbor Island.